Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, everyone. Make a love shout out to all the subscribers and followers of this channel. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Our lesson for today is about factoring out GCMF or factoring completely. Now, to factor expressed as a product of Grimes factor, for example, factor completely 24. So using the factor 3, the factors of 24 are 6 and 4, while 6 has 2 and 3, and 4 has 2 and 2. Now, so the factors are 2, 2, 2, 3. Okay? So factors are following completely. So we have here 5x squared and 14x squared y squared. Alright, so for example, we have get the GCF of 12 and 18. So of course, the GCF is 6. Okay? Now for 12x to the fourth and y cube and then 18xy to the fifth power, we have the GCF is 6xy cubed. Therefore, the GCMF or the greatest common monomial factor is the greatest monomial that is factored will divide evenly into of all the given monomials. So to find the GCMF of two or more monomials, so first find the GCF of the coefficients. Next, find the largest power of its variable that is common to all the monomials. And the GCMF or is the product of GCF of coefficients and common variable factors. Okay, find the GCMF of 12x squared and 18x. How is that? Of course, the GCF of the coefficients of 12 and 18 is 6. No? So the common variables only have x. So x is only common. So therefore, the GCMF is 6x. Okay, so find the GCMF of 21 and 35. Okay, let's try this one. So for 21 and 35, their GCF is 7, no? But for the variables x squared, so if we're going to get what we have x squared. So finding the GCF, right? That's it. Because 21x squared is 3, 35x to the fifth is a 5x cubed. Right? Yan, 7. So there are 2x, therefore, yes, correct. Our answer is correct. Next, we have find the GCMF of 24x squared y cubed and 36x cubed y. For the GCF of coefficient, that's 12 for 24 and 36, their GCF or their greatest common factor is 12. Then the common variable factors of 2 x's and 1 y, so therefore their GCMF is 12 x squared y. Okay, now we are going to use GCMF to factor quadratic expression. That's factoring out the GCMF is the inverse or undoing of the distributive property. So the factor or undoing distributive property, first perform distributive properties like 6, that's 2 plus 3, you know? That's 12 plus 18. So for 12 plus 18, that the factors are 6, 2 plus 3. Then use distributive property to simplify. That is 3 times x, 3x, and 3 times 7 is 21. So factor 3x plus 21, that's 3. Yan. Okay, so this is the factor. 3, close and parenthesis, x plus 1. So factor is 12x squared y minus 14xy cubed. Okay, so since the common is 2, xy, so these are the factors. Right? This one. Right. So for example, distribute 3x. So, yan. So it means multiply the 3x through the x plus 1. Get it? Yan, that's it. So factor 3x squared plus 15x squared means divided GCMF out of polynomial. Okay, so the GCMF or the greatest common monomial factor is 3x here, for this 3x squared then 15x. The GCMF is 3x. Sorry. So therefore, that's it. Okay, so then divide. Okay, so dividing both sides, so that's this one, 3x squared divided by x over or 3x, and then 15x divided by. So you can use the expansion method and then cancellation. The what remain is x plus a 5. Okay, so therefore the factored form is 3x close and open parenthesis x plus 5. Now, to factor polynomial by factoring out is find, of course, first find the GCMF, divide the polynomial, and then write the polynomial as the product of GCMF and the result from step 1 to 2. Okay, let's factor this one. 15x squared minus 9. So step 1, get the GCMF. The GCMF is 3. Then divide. Okay, so the 15x squared divided by 3, the answer is 5x squared minus 3. Right? As a product of GCMF and the result of step 2. So that's when. This one is the final answer. Now let's try to factor this. 28, we have 28a cubed minus 14 or 12 a squared. Of course, the GCMF is 4a squared. So factored form. Okay, so we have 4a squared times 7a minus 3. Then this one, the GCMF is 5. So 15a divided by 5 is equals to 5. So 3a minus 5 is, and then we have, okay, so we got here for 16x to the fifth power minus 12x cubed and then 26x squared. The GCMF is 2x squared. Okay, so this is the factored form because 16 divided by 2 is 8. Then subtract the exponent. 5 minus 2 is 3. 14 divided by 2. And then x minus 1 or 3 minus 2 is equals to 1. And then 26 divided by 2 is 13. Okay? Now, that's it. Okay, let's try to factor the following. Okay, so this here, the common is 5x cubed. Alright. So we have 2 plus 3. 15 divided by 5 is 3. And then 5 minus 3 is equals to 2. So x squared. Okay, so this is the final answer. Next, what about this one? 24x squared. So 24, for 24 and 30, the common is 6. X, y. Okay, so got, or we can use y squared, no? That's possible. So 24 divided by 6 is 4. 4x minus 5, 24 divided by 66, or 36 divided by 66. Then, see, 30 divided by 6 is 5. Yeah. Oh, mali nga, di ba? Okay, 5. 5 only. Okay. Next, here. The common is 2, 2, xyz. 6 divided by 2 is 3, x plus 4 divided by 2 is 2z minus 8 divided by 2, 4, 4 y z square. Then the common is 6. Oh, my 2. So there is 2 here. Of course, the GCF is 4. 4. So we got 6 divided by 4. No, cannot be pala. We can only use 2. So we have 3x plus 6y minus 2z. 21, 14, and 42. And what is common, do you think? We can try 7, no? 7. 7. So we got 3x squared minus 2xy plus 42 divided by 7. That's about 42 divided by 7 is equals to 5, 6. No? Z. Okay, that's it. Then, of course, guys, so this is your journal number 2. Please write your opinion about this according to Ralph Waldo Emerson, a U.S. physicist, poet, and philosopher. We live in succession and division in parts and in particles. So don't forget to like, subscribe. So we will check this next meeting. Love you all, guys. Thank you.